Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some useful shortcuts and tips for navigating Windows like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, these shortcuts will help you streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with some general shortcuts that will save you time and effort. First up, we have Windows D. This nifty combo will instantly show or hide your desktop, allowing you to quickly access files or shortcuts. Need to dive into your files? Just hit Windows E to open up File Explorer in a flash. Want to tweak your settings? Windows I will take you straight to the Settings menu, where you can customize to your heart's content. If you're searching for something specific, just tap Windows S to open up Search and find what you need in no time. Need to step away from your computer for a moment? Hit Windows Alt to swiftly lock your computer and keep your info secure. This is a great tip for all those office workers out there. Now, let's talk about some shortcuts for controlling your windows like a boss. If your screen is cluttered with windows, hit Windows to quickly minimize them all and clear up some space. Want to bring those minimized windows back? Just press Windows Shift M to restore them to their previous state. Need to switch between apps quickly? Hit Windows T to cycle through the apps on your taskbar with ease. If you want a quick peek at your desktop, simply press Windows, to temporarily minimize your windows. They will stay minimized as long as you hold down the Windows key. To take a closer look at all your open windows, use Windows Tab to open up Task View and navigate effortlessly between them. And if you need to maximize a window for a better view, just hit Windows and the up arrow to make it fill the screen. You can then use Windows and the down arrow to make it smaller again. Now, let's explore some handy shortcuts for accessing system tools. If you need to manage your tasks or running processes, hit Ctrl, Shift, Escape to open up Task Manager and take control. Want to close a window in a hurry? Just press Alt F4 to instantly close the active window. Need to access your system properties? Hit Windows Pause or Break on some keyboards to open up information about your PC and make any necessary adjustments here if required. And if you want to access your Clipboard history for quick access to previously copied items, simply press Windows V. You may be prompted to enable history the first time you launch this. Last but not least, let's talk about capturing screenshots and snipping. Just hit the print screen key. This will bring up the option to either take a screenshot or capture only a selection of your screen. See, you can now open up Notes and paste this captured image directly into Notes, for example. Need to capture just the active window? Press Alt Print Screen to grab it quickly. And if you need to capture a specific area of your screen, use the Print Screen key again and select only the area you need. And there you have it, folks. An overview of Windows shortcuts and tips to help you navigate your computer like a pro. Be sure to give them a try and let us know which ones are your favorites in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.